Once your bot is all clean, polished, nice, ready to share with the world, one of the best ways that you can promote it with the world is using Facebook ads. In an earlier lesson, I talked about using QR codes, using the m.me link, using AI to automatically respond to comments based on specific parameters, or just responding to everyone on your page or a specific post. But in this lesson specifically, we're going over Facebook ads. What I love about Facebook ads is that you can split test, meaning test different variations of your ads to see which ones are converting best. And also the targeting capabilities with Facebook are amazing if you know what you're doing. So if you don't know what you're doing, then gloss over this lesson. Don't worry about it if you're not skilled with Facebook marketing. But I think for those of you who are, which I assume is a good majority, then this will be super helpful for getting the word out there about your bot. Especially because right now the bot market is not oversaturated. Not everybody's doing this. So if you have a bot and you're promoting a send message call to action, which seems pretty non-threatening considering it doesn't seem like you'd have a sales funnel and a conversation, then this is a great way to promote your bot. So first thing you want to do is create a Facebook ads account. If you don't have one, then Google how to create it. I'm not going to cover that in the scope of this course. At any rate, go to business.facebook.com, assuming you have an ad account or have created one. And once you get there, go to create ad. Now I'm going to restart, and the objective that you want to choose is traffic. I'm going to rename this campaign to Chatbot Traffic and hit continue. So now you'll be given the whole laundry list of targeting capabilities, which again, if you know what you're doing, are great. If you don't worry about it and skip over this lesson for the time being. So the things that you need to have set is traffic up here. Make sure it's set to website or messenger, which is pretty intuitive. Scrolling down, obviously you want to edit the audience settings according to your niche, according to your bot, but I'm going to skip them for now. Hit continue. Now you can connect a page. So do note that you don't have to have the page that you're advertising on. You don't have to have the bot deployed on that page. So if I am a personal brand, I can promote the bot even though the bot is connected to a different page than the one that I'm advertising with. So that's important to note. I'm not going to change the page just yet. Then, just for simplicity, I'm going to choose single image. For demonstrational purposes, obviously you can choose any of these options: video, slideshow, carousel, etc. Next important thing, obviously add an image. I'll add the picture of the pizza from earlier. And once it finishes uploading, you'll see everything looks great, right? So this is the counterintuitive part. You don't actually want to use this messenger call to action here. Instead, you want to use the website URL. Why is that? Well, right now, ChatFuel isn't designed to integrate with Facebook ads, unfortunately, because by default, Facebook ads forces you to set up a message that will respond to a person who sends you a message, including text and images and all that stuff. So what happens is that message that you're forced to set up by Facebook conflicts with the bot that is working on ChatFuel's server, and so it creates for a less than ideal user experience. So to get around this, just simply select website URL instead of the messenger option here. Now, to get the link to your bot, you go back into the ChatFuel dashboard. I'm going to X out of this and go up here. As long as your bot is already connected to an existing page, you'll have this link here. If your bot isn't connected to a page, you want to do that so you can get this link. So once you go here, copy it to your clipboard, go back into Ads Manager, and simply paste the link in and click this. Oh, what happened? There's an error. So the problem is Facebook doesn't like dealing with these m.me links. So the solution, the workaround to this, is going back to ChatFuel, clicking this blue hyperlink, and it'll redirect you to messenger.com. So instead of the m.me link, yes, it's more convenient and short, but Facebook ads does not like that. So the solution is to get this messenger.com link. So copy that, bring it back into Ads Manager, paste it, select, and there you go. Perfect. So then the only other thing that you want to change, and this is optional, but I suggest it, is for the call to action name, I prefer send message. Again, it seems less threatening, it seems very actionable as opposed to learn more, buy now, that sort of thing. So this is what I prefer. And of course, you can change the text here or the headline to say, get our 50% off pizza special, even though that's not entirely what the bot is promoting. But for example, you can do that to get rid of the messenger.com link. And that's how it works. So obviously you can then place an order, and once your ad gets approved, people can simply click the send message. They'll get redirected to your bot page. They can click get started once they are on that link, and then it'll go through the whole process of the bot that we've created in ChatFuel.